Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from algebra. So this is a random math challenge, and if gusto nyong try sagutan yung problem, pwede nyo namang i-pause yung video and then try to answer first and then check your answers after that. Para makita nyo if tama ba yung ginawa nyo. So yung problem natin is if if a plus 1 over b equals 5, b plus 1 over c equals 12, and c plus 1 over a equals 13, what is the value of abc plus 1 all over abc? Okay, so how do we do this right now? So the first thing that you have to do is you have to analyze each equation given. So we have a plus 1 over b equals 5, b plus 1 over c equals 12, and c plus 1 over a equals 13. And the question is asking for abc plus 1 over abc and its value. So how do you do this? So if you notice that if you multiply a, b, and c, you will get abc. And if you multiply 1 over b, 1 over c, 1 over a, you will get 1 over abc. So how does it goes, Sir IJ? So what we will do is we will multiply all the equations. So we have a plus 1 over b multiplied by b plus 1 over c multiplied by c plus 1 over a. That is equal to the product of the constants outside. So, kasi naka-equal siya sa 5, 12, and 13. So, you have to get its product as well. Okay? However, if you simplify this one, you have an extra expression here. So, if you will try to, I'll leave it to you guys, especially to our subscribers, to multiply this manually. But you will be arriving at this expression. So, you have ABC plus 1 over ABC plus, ito yung mga lalabas dyan guys, A plus 1 over B plus, if you will notice or if you do some groupings, you will have this B plus 1 over C plus C plus 1 over A equals 5 times 12, that's 60 times 13, that is 780. So as you notice, this is given, this is given, this is given, applying some grouping so that you can check it with the given equations, and then you will just substitute it. So we have ABC plus 1 over ABC will be equal to 780 minus this A plus 1 over B, that is 5 minus 12 minus 13. So the final answer for this random algebra challenge is 750. So you don't need to get for the values of A, B, and C because you will do just some algebraic manipulation to obtain the answer. So if you ever have questions or clarifications, feel free to comment on the comment section. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. And I hope you all the best, guys. Happy Valentine's Day, and God bless you always. Thank you.